What's up everyone? We just got Dusty's 2004 Java Black Pearl STI finished up. He basically brought it to us bone stock and we added a MM500 package, which includes a quick rundown is our Misfire Motorsport Stage 2 short block, ARP head studs, refresh cylinder heads. The turbo, we did the DOM 2.5 G2R, did a whole custom fuel system, top feed conversion, ETS from an intercooler. It's got D-Torx injectors. The ECU is a Link ECU calibrated by BWtuning. And for the catback portion, we went ahead and upgraded it for him. We did the HKS high power, and that's just one of our favorite looks here in the shop on the GD cars. The angled muffler and the big tip just looks really good. We also installed an HKS equal length header, so it's all HKS from the header back, so it just makes it sound really cool and nostalgic. So we're just gonna send him off home, get some braking miles on it, and then we're gonna put on Ben's dyno to have him turn this thing up. So we love building these GD cars. It's pure nostalgia for us here at Misfire. We love these cars so much, so it's always fun when we get one of these come through the doors and get to do this to them. So hope you guys enjoy.